Hi there, welcome to my Instant Traffic app review. My name is Henry Tay. Instant Traffic app is a totally automated system which you can use from one dashboard which clones your best, converting traffic files and directs customers to the best converting offers. Multiple commission sources. You can use email, Facebook, YouTube, and multiple other sources all from the Instant Traffic app dashboard. Instant buyer traffic button included so you can start seeing amazing results straight away. No leads, no technical skills or previous experience is needed. Complete step-by-step training is provided inside. Our automated software does everything for you. You just clone your funnels, click the traffic switch, and off you go. When you purchase the Instant Traffic app, you will have access to the brand new Instant Traffic app Instant Traffic software. This is a super profitable beginner-friendly software which let you activate multiple streams of instant traffic and sales from one dashboard with just 10 minutes work each day. This is at the value of $997, and you will also have these step-by-step tutorials. These include video training which teaches you exactly how to use the software to clone your campaigns and replicate the huge paydays that can be seen every single day. This is with a value of $397. And you also will have the quick start guide. If you don't like going through videos, not to worry. You are covered with a quick start guide that shows you how to fire up the Instant Traffic app in just a few minutes. And this quick start guide has a value of $197. And you also have the ready-made ads. Everything is made ready for you to clone right away. You can get started in just a click of a button, and this is with a value of $497. And you also will get this customer only webinar which will be held weekly only for customers to ensure every single one of you is achieving the absolute maximum from Instant Traffic app, and each webinar will be recorded. And this comes with a value of $297. At the end of this review, there is a demo video on Instant Traffic app, which you can watch to get better idea of this product. But right now, I'm going to show you the insane bonuses that I have in store for you. I have 10 bonuses specially prepared for you with Instant Traffic app. So let's go and take a look. Hi, for you, bonus number 1, which has a value of $267, is Continent done for you. You will also get a bonus number 2, which also has a value of $427.95, Enigma. And you will also get bonus number 3, ClickBank Mastery, and it has a value of $267. And you will get bonus number 4 too, which is Gemini. Gemini has a value of $267. And you will also get bonus number 5, which also has a value of $267. High Ticket Mastery. And you will also get bonus number 6, worth $46.95. A WP Leads Machine. You will also get bonus number 7, has a value of $427.95. YouTube Ads Course. And you will get number 8, bonus number 8, value $267, which is Timeless Traffic. And you will also get bonus number 9, worth $46.95. And this is Make an App in 25 minutes. And bonus number 10, you will get WordPress Commission Cloaker, which has a value of $97. And you also get the vendor bonuses the vendor has for you. And what are the vendor bonuses? Well, let's go take a look at the vendor bonuses. The vendor has 4 bonuses for you, which you can access once you purchase product. These are accessible in the members area. Bonus number one, free instant traffic software, which is worth $1,997. This is given with the free access to the premium free traffic software, which will help you get masses of traffic instantly. In addition, you will also get access to the unlimited traffic system that is used every single day to generate even more traffic. And you will get bonus number two, 100 plus extra ads, and this is valued at $997. Grab the 100 plus automated done for you ads for free, which will mean you succeeding twice as fast. Is a truly incredible deal. And bonus number three, value limitless, which gives you 100% access to some of the highest converting offers on the web. This can be low ticket offers and high ticket offers, and will help you generate sales from day one. And bonus number four, live webinars, which is valued as priceless. These live sessions hosted will give you next level super affiliate strategies to maximize your results with the software. So how much does instant traffic app cost? At the front end, at the early bird is being sold at $17, and the first upsell is $39 to $29, and the second upsell AutoPilot is at $37 to $27, and upsell number three, 100% done for you, $197 to $197. Upsell number four, license rights, $167 to $117. And option number five, mega bundle, $97 to $67. And option number six, platinum package, $97 to $67. And when you click the exit, when you try to exit from this on the screen, and there will be an exit pop-up which you will get a $5 discount. Let me show you. This is a thing that you will get. You will get this $5 discount that, and you only pay $12 for instant traffic app. And for that amount, you will get all the 10 bonuses from which I have prepared for you, and also the vendor bonuses. So do not delay. Click on my link below to get this product. I am only giving 10 bonuses for this special product for instant traffic app. So grab it.